Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Velebayi and Batman namhlanje ilanga lokugcina bafowethu laphana kuSAFA la bathetha khona icala laka Velebayi nelaka Batman, and then sokwazi-ke next week next week bazokhipha i-verdict ukusho ukuthi ama-players are free ukuthi adlale. I mean le cala delay for 2 months, which is bad for the image of South African football. High profile case involving Cape Town Spurs ephikisa i-PSL, cabanga ephikisa umthetho webhola lase-South Africa. NESAFA-ke naye iyatotoba ukuthi isolve nje icala eli-direct eli-opposa ama-clause noma ngithi i-rule or noma imithetho yebhola lase-South Africa overall. Ilanga elikhulu kakhulu bafethu namhlanje because bazohlala lapha balalele icala lokugcina noma ngithi amacala wo-2 okugcina bawarephe namhlanje nje liyavala icala, and then-ke bayahlala baya-decide ukuthi icala lihamba kanjani. Legal battle ya 2 months, i-paperwork after i-Cape Town Spurs basubmit i-paperwork enkulu bafowethu ukuthi kudelayiwe amacala nama-evidence amanye bathi kunesandla sesithathu kunabantu abafuna ukuthi icala lifavor obani bani, kwasha kwacima i-Cape Town Spurs leyo. Bathi bona bazosubmit ama-proof, bawasubmithile wonke lama-proof, that is why icala lidrage kangaka. But at the same time ne-PSL ne-SAFA kumele sibablame ukuthi abekho strong enough ukuthi batshele i-Cape Town Spurs ukuthi there's no case here. Cabanga iy'mpilo zabantu zime for 2 months bafowethu. Before leyo 2 months leyo azange baya nakulokhunjana i-pre-season nama-team nix. So bebasemuva kakhulu nge-match fitness. Lucky enough Kaizer Chiefs basayinile bakwazi ukuba-register, bayajima ne-team week in and week out, and uBatman-ke ulena echili ku-World Cup. Yeah, so bona ukuthi next week bazodecide laphana ku-PSL, but-ke whatever bayidecidayo ukuthi bayaba-clear ama-play ukuthi a-represent i-Kaizer Chiefs or i-Spurs sine-right yokuthi sibagcina abadlali, but i-Spurs sibagcina ngamagama athini because i-Spurs siyi-amateur team manje, they cannot afford the players. And basabakweleta nokubakweleta uVelebayi ilo i-signing on fee yakhe laphana. So this is not just about contract kuphela bafowethu, ama-contract, it's about iy'mpilo zabantu, ama-careers wabantu, ama-reputation wabantu, affecta direct ama-club this season bafowethu, but asingeneni kuyo singayikhi phezulu overall. I mean i-Kaizer Chiefs ba-announcile immediately ba-announce i-Cape Town Spurs yathi izoba nama-lawyer izolwa licala leli until the end. I-Cape Town Spurs-ke immediately-ke yathi yona ama-player wabo bathatha i-Kaizer Chiefs bayise laphana ku-PSL DC. PSL DC they ruled ukuthi ama-player ama-free agent. Baphikisa i-Spurs babona ukuthi hhayi abavumi, baya ku-SAFA. So i-SAFA yiyo-ke lesesideleyisa isikhathi esingaka-ke, bekumele ibe-direct. I mean abadlali bobawu-2 bakulimbo, abazi ukuthi bakuphi kahle kahle bamephi. No competitive minutes at all bafethu, no chance to settle ku-system yaku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi babatheste. I mean i-stress lesi for ama-youngsters, ama-careers wabo they are hanging in ku-balance. I mean imagine usayina ne-Kaizer Chiefs i-team enkulu, but-ke awudlali. Obviously lokho kungaku-affect ukuthi uluze i-confidence, uluze i-form, and uluze ama-opportunities. Iphupho uVelebayi bokuyiphupho lakhe ukuthi ajoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs, sekayijoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs ku-emotionally, but-ke manje it's turning to be a disaster because of ama-governing body webhola lase-South Africa angakwazi ukuba straight, ukuba direct. Obviously i-position-ke yona ye-Cape Town Spurs bafethu, bona bathi ama-player contracted to bona, umuntu ofuna ama-player kumele akhiphe o-10 million. Kaizer Chiefs-ke yona, i-Kaizer Chiefs ayikho la kahle kahle, ayikho involved bafethu at all, because Kaizer Chiefs azange isayine ama-player directed to i-Cape Town Spurs or isayine ama-player ngenkani. I-Kaizer Chiefs into eyenzile ilinde ama-player eza nama-clearance, ama-clearance wathathe ku-PSL. So I'm surprised ukuthi why is PSL i-governing body yama-club football, ama-club wase-South Africa ingabatshelanga ukuthi umthetho uthi ilichithe icala immediately, but ibanike enye into kuthiwa they can appeal. PSL-ke evule i-gap, kube ivele yasho ukuthi icala liphelela la, if you wanna appeal zonifina kuphela ngoba nisuwastile isikhathi. Umthetho waku-PSL umile u-strong unjalo. Even umthetho waku-FIFA awusho ukuthi ama-player adlala ku-amateur wakhiphela o-10 million per player. Yeah, I mean, obviously ama-player laphana expected ukuthi adlale laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, especially because maningi ama-player aba-tested laphana bafowethu in terms of ama-positions are different. Sinokubona amanye ama-player they're not playing to their best ability in terms of ukudeliver ama-results for i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Kunama-questions, that is why siyazi ukuthi namanye ama-players owathola ama-opportunities ukuthi adlale laphana, especially uvele bayo. Batman naye ezi-strike uzowathola ama-opportunity ukuthi adlale because i-striker siyabona ukuthi zenzani, oMayo given an opportunity, oSilva, so nezinye i-striker ezingakadlali zizowathola ama-opportunities overall ukuthi badlale overall. So i-Kaizer Chiefs yona obviously iyabhilive ukuthi ekuthe according to ama-rules waku-P_S_L, yes, njengoba ngisho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayinacala at all. So le case lena it's about obviously reputation, it's about transfer market ukuthi ibe-firm. I-Kaizer Chiefs-ke they cannot afford ukuthi babukeke bona ba-unprofessional or ba-desperate, but at the same time Kaizer Chiefs njengoba bengishilo ayinacala, abadlali abaze ne-clearance abalithatha ku-P_S_L bazojoyina i-Golden Black noma ngithi Amakhosi. Well, balinde nje ukuthi liphele lecala leli and then bazoqala ukudlalisa ama-player because babafrizile ukuthi bangadlali until lecala lithethwe. But isafa-ke idileye 2 months yonke, cabanga bafethu, frustration engaka. 2 months without i-decision i-costa i-Kaizer Chiefs imali, i-costa ama-player ama-opportunity, i-costa, I mean, ama-player could easily like babe ne-stress serious la. I-development yama-player i-on hold manje in terms of ama-new teams awadlalelayo, especially lawo e-Kaizer Chiefs. Ama-fans-ke criticize both i-P_S_L ngokungabi strong, at the same time ku-criticize-wa i-structure sebhola la-South Africa ukuthi kune-case engaka enkulu kangaka but baye-ignore for 2 months. Yenzakala kanjani lento le? Kwamanye ama-country ayenziwa lento, ayenzeki at all. Kaizer Chiefs well, uBatman noVele baye bazoyiwina i-case, that's it. Lapho nje bazoyiwina i-case, babe free ukuthi badlale laphana immediately. But iSpurs asazi ukuthi sizoqhubeka nale case siye ku-FIFA na, asazi. But yeah, i-Cape Town Spurs at the end of the day they are entitled to a form of imali ngokudevelopha ama-player, form of imali. Hhayi kodwa lowo 10 million abawufunayo, o-1.5 million each, kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ingakhipha 3 million nje kuphela for lama-player lawo. I think it's a bittersweet moment for i-Cape Town Spurs because Kaizer Chiefs kudala imlandelelo uvele bayi, but Cape Town Spurs beba-reject ifuna le mali le. I-Cape Town Spurs yamosha impilo kaVele bayi, yachoose ukuthi iye naye ku-second division than ukuthi ajoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs ngaboma-5 million. Choose ukuthi bahamba naye, bamrholela iy'mali ey'bhedayo laphana. Baney'nhliziyo ezimbi abanye abantu emhlabeni, ucabangela isikhwama sakhe nje kuphela, akacabangeli iy'mpilo zabanye abantu. So yeah, hhayi, solilinde icala silibone, possibly let's say Monday, Tuesday bazoyikhipha i-decision ukuthi icala lihamba kanjani ngempela. Obviously icala lingashape-eka to, I think lingashape iy'nto ey'ningi, but at the same time belizoshape iy'nto ey'ningi if isafa iyakwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke, iyakwazi ukurepresent-a ama-players kahle. But isafa ayikwazi ukurepresent-a ama-players kahle because namanje ithathwe ilokhunjana i-Players Union, bayithatha bayise e-court ukuthi ifeyile ama-player for so long bafowethu. I-ignore nje iy'ndaba zama-player. Ama-player awakwazi ukudlala freely kuma-team wabo. Amanye ama-player awakhokhelwanga since 2019 ama-settlement wabo. So this should tell us about i-position yelokhunjana yesafa kuma-player ukuthi ama-players ngeke abe ne-trust kusafa overall. For so long ama-player angathola ama-opportunities wokuthi adlale because of isafa yaba-ignore. I-governing body ye-South African football inga-ignore kanjani ama-player in trouble? Kusho ukuthi ama-team they can do as they please. Lucky enough-ke le high profile case involve i-Kaizer Chiefs, that is why-ke bekumele ithethwe. If be-involve amanye ama-team isafa bengeke ingene. Cabanga governing body-ke yebhola lase-South Africa, abantu okumele ba-protect ama-teams, ba-protect ama-player, ba-protect everyone who is involved. But-ke bona abanandaba, kune-element of laziness or ukuthi we don't care. So Yeah, sibafisela inhlanhla ovele bayi. Sibafisela inhlanhla ilokhu njani ama-player abafana abancane. At the same time, iSAFA whether the statement esizophuma. iSAFA-ke manje, hhayi, mina angiyazi into enje, angiyazi ngempela. Icala elingathatha 2 days, lithatha 2 months. So this would question i-credibility yeSAFA. Noma kuthiwa bathi abadlali bayaliwina icala, but i-Cape Town Spurs izo-question nabo ukuthi why icala lithatha isikhathi eside kangaka, kwenzakalani, kunabantu aba-influence ama-decision na? So yizo zonke izinto lezi ezizobhekwa, which is sad when you look at it nge-different perspective. But-ke asiyilinde-ke iSAFA yakhona ikwazi ukukhipha i-verdict. Danko bafowethu.